I'm Jim Vass from ATB Partners, and today I'm here to talk about what you need to be doing if you're going to undertake the task of lodging your own income tax return. Firstly, you have to decide, are you going to do it yourself or are you going to get a professional to do it? Now, if you're going to be doing it yourself, the ATO imposes deadlines, and that deadline is the 31st of October. So you have to have all your information prepared between July and the end of October to get it together and to lodge it online. Now, typically as well, that if you're going to be payable, that tax is going to be payable probably within a month of you receiving your assessment. So you'd be lodging on the 31st of October. Typically you'd expect that you're going to get your income tax assessment by about mid-November, and it'll probably be payable by about mid-December. Probably not a very good Christmas surprise for you, but that's how it's going to work. Alternatively, you could get a tax professional to help you out with this. Now, being a tax professional, that tax office acknowledges that we do have a lot of tax returns to process, so therefore these deadlines of the 31st of October don't apply to us. We could actually get an extension almost to the end of mid-May to lodge the income tax return, which again would put off any tax payable till about mid-June. So that's not a bad thing to consider at the outset before you go through the headache of trying to do it yourself. One of the first things that we need to do is to identify what's income. The information that I've provided you today is very, very brief. It's general information. It's not information that I'd be saying, look, use this video to go and prepare your tax return. The important thing is, though, you do understand that there's things that you've got to be looking at, things to consider, and it's not simply a matter of let's just fill it out and get it off our plate. I'd always recommend that you do speak to a tax professional to prepare your tax return, unless it's so straightforward that there's nothing to it and you're not going to claim anything. Keep it simple. Don't try to get too smart with the tax office, because they will catch up with you. And by all means, if you feel that some of the things that we've talked about today are complex and you do need some help, feel free to look us up. Thank you.